the reason I'm putting this together is that I've been finding difficulty in getting information on how to adjust this cable to the gearbox. The reason I'm doing this is that I had to change the throttle position sensor because it had gone open circuit and it was giving me odd gear changes, particularly once it had locked up into fourth gear. It kept dropping down to third and back to fourth. So I replaced that and then started getting issues with what felt like slipping gears and all that sort of stuff. So I checked everything over, and the bushing in here was worn, so I replaced that with a sintered bearing. And this connector here, which goes between the throttle and this actuator, that was worn as well because it was plastic, and obviously over the years this vehicle's done nearly 280,000 kilometers, actually just over 280,000 kilometers, so it's pretty wear and tear. So I've replaced those items, and now setting the cable up is getting to be a bit difficult, I thought. The actual manual itself shows you that you should adjust it here to 34 to 35 millimeters, which is a very small distance, so obviously it's very important for the gearbox to understand what's going on. And the item that I've circled in red, there's no information about that at all. I've looked on the YouTube, and I've seen quite a few videos that show adjustment of this item here, and one that showed this item, but it's in Indonesian and I couldn't understand a word they were saying, and even the auto translate didn't work. Yet I went and found another one, which was a company, a Russian company I think, that made position sensors, throttle position sensors that are not mechanical, they're sort of contactless. And on their information they had two videos. Both videos talked about this adjustment, and particularly this one, and one of them actually told you what the actual cable did inside the gearbox. So I found that very interesting. So what I've done now is warm the engine up, because of the cold start feature would keep the throttle open a little bit. Check that the cable here was as far in as it will go, and that this connection here is comfortable. It's not too tight, so you've got plenty of play and comfortable. The thing that I found was that no matter how much I adjusted this, I couldn't get that 34 to 35 millimeter distance. And from the information on the Russian video, it suggested adjusting this. So when you open the throttle fully, this opens up, and therefore you could get that distance. Moving this in and out actually sort of gives you a bit more fine-tuning as such. So basically I feel that if you're setting this up, adjust this so it just connects to there with no real pressure, and then when you adjust it fully open as per the instructions there, you move this in or out, because obviously the distance that it moves depends a great deal on how much the cable will be pulled out, and if it's pulled out too soon, then the gearbox responds incorrectly. If it's too late, it responds incorrectly. So I've adjusted it now, and I seem to be getting a decent gearbox change. I think there may be some more tweaks to do, but that is more important than what you think, and there's no information in the workshop manual that tells you anything about it. So I hope this helps. If you think I could do something better, then let me know. Right, a quick addendum to the video I've just done. This is the measurement that I'm taking between the sleeve and the stop. and as you can see, that is about 32 centimeters. It's probably not very good video there. What I'm going to do is loosen off these two bolts here. Like so. And if I pull this out, I'll loosen it a bit more. You can see as I move this out, this here pulled out. So now I should probably see it's a little bit more. That is now 35. So moving this a fraction of a little bit gave you the distance here. So that should, in theory, be set up. But like I say, in the earlier bit, it probably needs tweaking, simply because of the age of the car and the number of miles it has done. Tighten those up, and now that has got full throttle open with my new bracket here, my new bearing there, all the slack is taken out, so this should go back in and out smoothly, and hopefully I will get better gear changes. Thank you very much for watching.